Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to connect Apple Watch to Strava. So to get started, we take a walk around, and now you can easily link or connect your Apple Watch to Strava. So the first thing to do is to install Strava on your iPhone or download the Strava app from your Apple Store and sign in into your account. Then after that, you have to open the Strava settings. In the Strava app, go to the profile icon. From there, scroll down to settings and click applications, service and devices health. Then after that, you have to connect to Apple Health. So tap connect and allow Strava to read and write data, which enable permission for workout, health rate, and all of that. Then after that, install Strava on Apple Watch. So to do this, open the Watch app and your iPhone, then go to the available app and install Strava on your watch. Then sign in on your watch and open the Strava on your Apple Watch and log in. Then once that is done, now your Apple Watch is linked to your Strava, and you can record activities with the Strava Watch app and use the Apple Workout app and let it also sync through the Apple Health. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.